Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be unboxing and playing around with the Eyescream beauty box for the month of November. So really quick, I'm just going to run over the products that we got in the November Eyescream box. Now first off, we're going to start with the palette, which is the star of the show. This is from St. Angel Centers. I absolutely love their formula. Darcy is the owner and she is just the sweetest person. She makes absolutely beautiful palettes. This color story is stunning. This will work very well for fall, going into your December holiday months. It's going to work beautiful for Christmas. So I'm excited to try out this palette. And if you didn't get a chance to get this month's Eyescream beauty box and really wanted to try out St. Angel Centers, don't worry. St. Angel Centers and Just Ann is doing a collaboration palette next month in the Slay Glam box, and it is the Snow Globe palette. I'm going to have Ann's video linked below. When she unboxed her Slay Glam for this month, she showed her palette and it is stunning. It is beautiful. Definitely, if you haven't seen that video, go check it out. I am so happy for her. She definitely deserves it. Beautiful color story. She did an amazing job with it, and I'm so excited for that one next month. So next up, we got this beautiful duochrome from Beauty Moon Cosmetics. I love this company as well. They have some amazing products. The quality is really nice on these. I actually did a little swatch right here. I cannot wait to play around with this loose pigment. You can use this for an eyeshadow. You can use it as a topper. You could use it as a highlighter. So I'm thinking I'm going to use it on the eyes and as a highlighter today just to see how it works as a highlighter. Okay, so next up we got a serum from Mirabella. This is a retinol replenishing serum. I am going to try this out today. It's supposed to help with redness and stuff, which I have a lot of redness in my face. I actually jumped on their website and looked at the reviews, and it has some really good reviews on this, so I have high hopes for this. Hopefully it works good with my skin. Sometimes I can break out from skincare, so that's the only reason why I say I don't really like getting skincare, but I'm definitely going to try it out and see how it works. Next up, we got a cheek blusher, and this is from Delancey, and I got mine in the shade 4. Really pretty peachy color. I mean, that is stunning. And then last but not least, we got this eyeliner from ZC Cosmetics, and this is in the shade Cherry Red. I'm excited for this. I like getting colored eyeliners, and this pairs so nicely with the eyeshadow palette. It's also going to go really nice with this Beauty Moon Cosmetics. Eyescream did a really nice job coordinating this box this month. I really like how everything goes together. You know, I love to be like matchy-matchy, so. Also, before we get started, if you're not familiar with Eyescream Beauty, it is a monthly makeup subscription box. You get a little bit of skincare, not too often. It's mostly makeup. It's $25 a month. I also have a discount code, Michelle10. That's going to save you a little bit of money off your first subscription order. And as always, if you like these types of unboxings and try-ons with the Eyescream Beauty box, please make sure you're giving me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, I would love to have you subscribe. And if you ring the notification bell, that'll notify you every time I upload. But let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start off with this Mirabella serum first before I do anything else. I am going to do the eyes first, so I'll just use a little bit of this serum. I don't know how much of this I'm supposed to use, but it does have a little bit of a scent to it. I can't really place it. It's not a great scent, but it's not a bad scent either. I don't know. It just kind of smells like skincare, you know? So this is absorbing into the skin really nicely. And I'm just going to take a pump of my P. Louise skin and put right on top. So now I'm just going to start on the eyes, and I am going to go ahead and prime with my Juvia's Place primer. Okay, so now that I got my lids primed, I'm going to go ahead and go into this shade right here, which is called Stuffing. And I'm just going to put that in the transition area. Just buff it back and forth. And these colors are just so pigmented and beautiful. I love her matte shades. They're never patchy. They always just blend out so beautifully. And this palette retails for $50. So getting this box for $25 is totally worth it. And next month in the Slay Glam box, that box is only $24 a month. So that would be a great box to snag up, especially for Christmas. So now I'm going to go into this cranberry shade right here. I have to use this shade. When I first seen the palette, I was like, oh, that's the shade I have to use. So beautiful. That is like a true cranberry shade. It's not really bright red, but it's not a burgundy either. It's just, That's gorgeous. I love. I'm gonna work that into the crease. Like, see how easily these just blend out? They're so good. I love this shade. This is a beautiful fall shade. Of course, bring it around. Going back with my first brush into that shade Stuffing, and I'm just gonna blend that in the transition area again. Same thing for this side, just buffing it out so we don't have any harsh lines. Okay, so I'm just gonna take a little bit of my NYX glitter glue and I'm gonna put that on my lid so that way I can use that Beauty Moon loose pigment on my lid. And then I'm just gonna tap that into place. Oh my goodness! I love this shade. Look at that. Is that beautiful? That is stunning. I absolutely love Beauty Moon Cosmetics. I have an eyeshadow palette of theirs and it's absolutely stunning. And this loose pigment is gorgeous. I mean, pairs perfectly with that eyeshadow palette. I mean, just look at the pigment that you get from this. This is beautiful. And this retails for $8. Like, you cannot beat that. $8? Okay, so I'm gonna go into this shade right here, and that shade's called Burnt, and I'm gonna put that just on this outer corner, just to kind of deepen up that cranberry shade just a little bit, just to add a little bit more dimension. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the eyeliner from ZC, and I'm just going to line the top of my lid. Ooh. I am not that great with eyeliners, but this one seems to be working pretty well. I try really hard with liners not to get too thick with them. And I'm not that great at like freehanding a wing either, but we're gonna try it. I like that it's like a dark wine red, so I really do like the shade of it. The shade's beautiful. Same thing for this eye, just gonna line the top. Try to do it as thin as possible, and the tip isn't that bad to work with. I will say that I've had easier, but this one isn't like hard to work with, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so I think they look pretty good as is, so I'm just gonna leave them where they're at. I'm not gonna keep messing with them, because girl, if I keep messing with them, they're gonna end up a disaster. I'm just gonna take my wipe and kind of sharpen the edge up a little. Okay, so I'm just gonna jump off camera really quick, do the rest of my makeup, and then I will come back and use this blush. Okay, so I got the rest of my makeup done, and we're about to use the cheek blusher from Delancey. This is such a pretty color. I'm just going to take my fan brush and dip in. Ooh, that's pigmented. Be light-handed. Don't go in so heavy-handed like I did, because she is pigmented. Beautiful, though. I love it. I'm going to go back in with my bronzer brush and just kind of blend the blush and bronzer together. Okay, so now that I got the blush on, I'm actually going to spray my face with a little bit of setting spray, so that way I can try this loose pigment as a highlighter. When you spray your face with a little bit of setting spray, it's just going to make it wet enough to where you can like kind of apply it as a highlighter, and it's not just going to be like loose glitter flying around. So I'm just going to spray my face. I picked up just a little bit on a fluffy brush, and I'm just going to glide it back and forth. Ooh, look at how pretty that is. Oh my god, and you can build it up. I love that as a highlighter. And when you do your highlighter like this, it matches your eye look so well. It just looks so coordinated, so beautiful together. I love this product from Beauty Moon. It's very affordable. $8 for this. You can't beat that. That is gorgeous. So now I'm gonna go back into this eyeshadow palette here. I'm gonna go into the cranberry shade on a little pencil brush, and I'm gonna run that under the lower lash line. I think I'm gonna go into the sugar cookie shade and put that under here too, just because I want to brighten the under eye a little bit. I'm gonna grab a little flat brush, spray it with a little bit of setting spray, and then just add a little bit of that Beauty Moon shade to the brow bone and also the inner corner. Not a lot, just a little. Okay, you guys, so this is the completed look. I love it. I am in love with this look. It looks so good. Absolutely love the Beauty Moon loose pigment. I might have went a little crazy overboard. I used it like everywhere, but it's so pretty. It's very subtle, but gives you like that pop that you want. It's gorgeous. Absolutely love this. So happy with it. Of course, I love the eyeshadow palette. The formula on this is amazing. They blend out so easily. This formula is very beginner friendly, so if you're just getting into like playing around with lots of colors and stuff, this formula is amazing because they blend into each other so nicely. They are very seamless for colors. They're not patchy, so amazing formula. Love the color story in here. Can't wait to come back and do some more looks with this palette. I definitely will. I really like the shade of this eyeliner. It's a really pretty like wine colored shade, I would say. It's beautiful though. Love it. It goes with that eyeshadow palette perfectly. Love this little blusher, super cute. I love the color of it. Again, goes perfectly with the eyeshadow palette. And of course, I don't really know if I love this yet, but I'm definitely going to keep using it, trying it out. It did look like it was doing a little bit of something for my redness, so I am happy about that. I'll keep using it, and then that way when I come back to do another look, I can maybe update you and let you know how it's doing with my skin. But overall, 10 out of 10 this month. Absolutely loved everything that I got. But as always, girl, let me know, what is your favorite product out of this month's box? I love to hear from you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!